Well, tomorrow night, community, care, and collaboration are all coming together under one roof in Montgomery County. The Reach-MKHC Gala marks nearly 60 years of impact from Community Reach of Montgomery County and the Mansfield Kaseman Health Clinic, two organizations providing critical services, things like health care, housing support, elder care, and financial assistance to thousands of our neighbors every year. Joining me now is Community Reach of Montgomery County's Executive Director, Sarah Basehart, to talk about, really what this night means for the organization. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, I wanted to talk a little bit about, really if you can paint us a picture for who you're helping right now, because this gala is such a big night.
Sure. So our organization for nearly 60 years has supported immigrants and people experiencing homelessness and poverty in Montgomery County.
I wanted to talk about the theme of this year's gala because it's woven together. Essentially, what does that idea look like if you were describing it to our audience, especially when it comes to things like connecting healthcare, connecting housing, education, financial support for families who right now really need it?
Sure. So first of all, it's our two organizations, so weaving together for one night of fundraising, which is the first time we've done an event like this that features all of our services in one evening. It's very exciting. And then what we do every day is create a safety net for people in Montgomery County. So when there are seniors that need support, or folks new to this country that need to learn English language, or people needing housing supports, healthcare, of course, for people that don't have health insurance, we serve folks every day in our clinic. So that weaves that safety net together. So it just, the theme goes through our work as well.
You and I were just talking in the break and I said, are you excited? I mean, there must have been so much work that went into this. Can you kind of describe some of that?
It's a huge amount of work.
Yeah.
We have several development staff that do this work year-round to get us prepared, and then loads of volunteers that help in advance to prepare silent auction items, that work on table settings, that get us to the theme of the event and who we might feature that night. There's some videos that we'll play and some entertainment, so live auction.
I love it. Okay.
Kelsey Nicole Nelson is joining us for the first time, so that's exciting too.
There's a lot of fun things you've got going.
Absolutely.
I wanted to, mention this too. If you were telling our audience, why is support especially critical right now in terms of, people might not necessarily realize how much help their neighbors need at this point. And so what message would you leave us with?
Well, Community Reach is a wonderful place to give your time and your dollars as we support your local neighbors in Montgomery County in their times of need, trying to move people quickly from any crisis they experience back to stability. So that's how we are able to help with any support folks give us.
Okay, and for those watching who may not be attending tomorrow's gala, how can they still get involved or even just support you moving forward in the mission?
Absolutely. Our website's the best place to go. cmrocks.org is the website. You can follow us on social media as well and join our newsletter. Check out our volunteer opportunities on the website. Just lots of ways to engage with us.
Times are tough out there, and I think sometimes it's your neighbors who step up, and that's what you remember when you really need the extra help, right?
For sure.
All right, Sarah Basehart, thank you so much for joining us, and
Thanks.
have a great time at the gala.
We will. Thank you.